Hello everybody. Now I would like to recommend our newest LED stick with remote control function with 8 groups such as on. If you want to change the color of the A, press the A button. Change to pink, flashing more quickly. Steady on. Okay, let's change another one for the B. White, purple, light green, and C. White, green, light green. Okay, for D. Yellow and blue. E. White, green, light blue. Okay, for F. Yellow, blue, green. For G. Purple, H for green. If we want all the LED stick keep off and just for A in lighting, press the control and off, and then press the A and the color of the on the button. Okay, and the chip on, and that's all.